Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are again in the heart of Houston. We are about 15-20 minutes from the Galleria area, 10 minutes from downtown and the medical center. This community is known as University, and this neighborhood is called the Seabrook Village. This home that we're viewing is built by Zoom Homes. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, a little over 1,800 square feet. And guess what? This price of this home is less than $350,000. So if you are looking for something that is very affordable and new in the Houston area, then this might be the perfect fit for you. Now, this particular home is going to be zoned to Whitby Elementary, Cullen Middle School, and Yates High School. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or any other real estate questions, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And if you would do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. And last thing before I get off of here, if you are in the market to buy a home, but you are having problems with coming up with funds such as down payment and closing costs, please let me know, because I work with a lot of different grants and lenders that can help you with those funds. So don't let anything stop you from becoming a homeowner. Enjoy the rest of the tour.